Hello, my name is Janelle Trail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you'd like to see how I made this unit, continue watching. So this is a quick weave, as you can tell by the description of the video. So first you're gonna need a frontal. I'm using a frontal because I had this frontal for almost a year now. I had it for my wedding and I decided to use it. You're gonna need a span dome style with cap. You're gonna need mousse. Of course you're gonna need mousse because this is a beginner friendly video. You're also gonna need some bundles. So in these bundles I got 18, 20 and 22 inches of hair, but I only used the 20 and the 22. I didn't use the 18 because I didn't need it. Yeah, let's put it like that. You're gonna also need a Denman brush, just a regular Denman brush. You can pick up at the beauty supply, like I said in the first video. You're gonna need some hair glue. You're gonna need tea needles. You're gonna need needle and thread because I'll be sewing my frontal. Ain't no way I'm getting glue on my frontal because I probably use it again. Then you're gonna need a handy dandy scissors, a rat tail comb, and a blow dryer, and of course a hair clip. So now I'm just installing the frontal. So if you have watched my first video, I'm using the same sewing method that I use in that video, and I'll leave that link in the eye chart, so be sure to check that video out. So right now I'm just showing you guys how I install the frontal. It is very taut, it ain't going nowhere, believe me, it ain't moving. So yes. So now this is where you're gonna start to lay your track. So you're gonna pin that in place, then you're gonna add some glue, then you're gonna add some heat with the blow dryer, then you're gonna lay it down, and that's all you'll be doing until you have laid the last track. Now at the top I like to do my tracks a little bit closer than I did in the back, just to give it that full effect. A little dance break. If you guys know me, you know I love to dance. So now that you have finished your unit, you want to conceal the last tracks just so that it doesn't show. All I'm doing is just parting some of the hair, or taking some of the hair from the frontal to cover that. Now I'll be cutting off the dome cap from under the lace frontal, and now I'll be adding some mousse just so it could lay flat. As I said, if you're not used to doing it with a flat iron or hot comb, then you can use the mousse for beginners. So now I'm using the Denman brush just to brush the mousse through the hair. You could wear it like this, like with the regular curl pattern. So now I'll be using a hot comb. Listen, you don't have to use a hot comb. You could use the mousse, but because I'm that extra and I wanted to lay extra flat, so that's the reason why I'm using a hot comb. But if you can use a hot comb, or if you know how to use a hot comb, then you can go ahead and do so. Don't let me stop you, girl. So now I'm just sectioning off the part or the front to do the baby hairs. Listen, I am not a pro at baby hairs, so don't come for me. Do not come for me. So like I said previously, you could wear the hair with the regular curls that it came in, but I choose to just flat iron it because I think it looks so much better. So I had my flat iron on high heat, and as you can see, I just did one pass and the hair was so straight. So now, like I said before, I am not a professional at baby hairs. So this is me attempting to do some baby hairs. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm getting there. I am getting there. Whew, child, listen, I had to go for the eco styling gel and a toothbrush because this comb thing and foam thing wasn't working for me. So you guys have no idea how hard this was, but I had to make it work. So this is the finishing product. Excuse my baby ear, please. Excuse my baby ear. I'm not a pro. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought about this unit, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.